Hi, this is Nilay, and welcome to this vlog. Today, I'm going to demonstrate a PyPlatX capability around setting up a synergy between dev machines, test environments, production environment, and practically creating a holistic synergy between any environment that machine learning, AI, or generic Python development can benefit from. I have left all the description and the GitHub open source link. So please feel free to visit them. But this script was actually something that I came up a couple of years back when we identified the same problem. I think majority of products and project development might actually already experiencing or may have experience and have some sort of solution is we easily run out or we easily get out of that kind of a synergy with the different version dependencies and all sort of things. So what this particular tool does, it reads from a PyPlatX config file, which is the YAML file, and ensure that whenever the new development machine or existing development machine has to be built, configured, reconfigured, it makes sure that declaratively it remains on same versions of dependencies, same version of Python, same version of utilities that it's supposed to required, and which has immensely benefited us at Ergosum. So as part of our open source drive, we are open sourcing this PyPlatX, which is the currently we are just modularizing the second part of it. I think there will be many more of the capability of PyPlatX is about to release, but this is something will benefit even at this scale with the basic Python setup, all the dependencies and other stuff. So please feel free to enjoy and use at your local development. Provide us feedback if you find a bug or anything. Please report us back on a GitHub, and we will certainly try our best to help. This particular toolkit is part of our commercialized product as well, which is due in 2024 as a GA general availability, and it will be also available with the Ergo Desktop X and Ergo CLIX capabilities. Um, so yeah, why not just provide your feedback, uh, pass the good words, and join in the hands with the open sourcing. Have a good Friday. Take care.